So if you have that question in your mind of which action camera should you buy, I'm going to answer this question in this short video. There's a lot of options out there for different types of action cameras. Depending on your needs, you want something that will give you video, photos, time lapse, maybe even motion detection. So some people into their wildlife photography can set up the camera and take footage of animals in the dark, for example. Footage, not photos. So there's different types of action cameras available. You can find a lot online which are cheap and say there's something but they're not. So you have to be careful with that. The action cameras I've bought, I've tested in different scenarios, and I've compiled a list of those cameras and given you sample footage and photos of those cameras in action. I've compiled a special playlist for you to actually help you answer the question of which camera you should buy. We all have different needs, so have a look at these videos and compare them to each other and see which one fits your budget and your needs. This will help you answer this question.